What's up guys, Yavar Khan back again. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how I made around $333 in a day using affiliate marketing and using Clickbank. So I'm just gonna give you an overall right now, an overview right now, so you get an idea about it. And remember guys, goals are really important. So as you know, as you could see on my screen right now guys, I'll just refresh it so you know I'm not gonna do anything wrong. So you just yesterday, it's just 4th of April, so I made my goals around 2nd of April. Okay, again, it's just your goals, believing in yourself, and I just learned from the experts. Okay, nothing new, nothing fancy. So I just spent, as you could see, this is my Bing ads. I just spent yesterday only $117 and I got this sale. And guys, it's very easy. If you don't know what's Clickbank is where, it's, so if I go on marketplace, so you can sell other people's product and you can get money out of it. So what I did was, again, don't have to reinvent the wheel, just see the top running offer. So I ran this today. I'm gonna run this and this and this and see which one's working, and then I'm gonna focus on that. But imagine guys, I told you I want to make $1,000 every day on Clickbank using affiliate marketing. So that's my goal right now. I write it every day, and there's a video as well. Go and check it out on how to set goals. So once you set your goals, everything is easier in life. I'm not gonna go in much detail on how I did it. I'm gonna create a short course, online course, where you could go and check it out. Not gonna be expensive as well. Just gonna be real what I did, and it's very simple guys, nothing complicated, anyone can do it. And my aim for this channel, I told you, it's changed because a lot had happened to me in the past. A lot of things which you would see if you click the link below. You'll get a course on how you could start doing affiliate marketing and start making money. And that's it guys, this is what I wanted to show you, how I made around $333 just by spending 107. So that means I spent $100 and I got $333, like $300, so which is 2x growth. Yeah, so that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There would be a link down below for the course, go and check it out. And that's it guys, Yavar Khan signing off. If you have any questions, do let me know.